Good morning, class 8. Today your topic is the Great Northern Plain. Now talking about the Great Northern Plain, I mean the area that is being covered up or from where Ganga is flowing, the Brahmaputra is flowing and the Indus is flowing and making the area fertile. Now the Great Northern Plain, where does it lies? It lies between the northern mountains in the north and the peninsular plateau of India in the south. They extend in the Great Curve. It's starting from Punjab in the west to the Brahmaputra Valley in the east. Its length is about 2400 kilometers. The plains are the most productive plain, and it is also densely populated, as it provides work for every aspect of people, like for agriculture is possible, industries, roads, every facilities are easily available here, so people also come and stay in those places. As I have told you earlier, where people can get their things easily, people will come and live in those places only, when I was teaching a population. Now this is how these plains are formed. These are formed by the deposition of the sediments that is brought down by the rivers like Indus in the Punjab side, Ganga in the northern part of India and Brahmaputra in the eastern side, along with their tributaries. The Great Northern Plain are the most recent origin than the Himalayas, as it is one of the largest deposition plain of the world. The soil here is alluvial, which is very fertile, and it gets renewed as the river is flowing. The soils also get renewed whenever there is flood, because as there is flood, the water spreads everywhere, and when the water goes down, the silts are kept there. So this is how this part of the thing gets renewed every time. Plain. Next comes the Great Northern Plains, can be divided into the Gangetic Plains, the Punjab Plains and the Brahmaputra Valley in the east. Ganga Plains are formed by the alluvial deposits in the river Ganga and its tributaries such as Yamuna and the Mahagar, the Gomti, Gandhak, Chambal, Betwa and so on. So where does it lie? It lies from between the areas in Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. Now their average height is between 30 to 150 meters. The Punjab Plain are formed by the alluvial brought down by the Indus River and its tributaries. By the way, as you know that in Punjab was known as land of 5 rivers, but unfortunately when India was divided, the portion of Punjab that is in the Indian side only have the Indus River. But the other Punjab, which is fertile and indigenous in Pakistan, they have the other rivers also, which makes that land fertile. And its height about 200 meter to 240 meter. Now the Brahmaputra is formed by the Brahmaputra that is flowing over the Assam, whose height is about 100 meters. This Ganga Brahmaputra here is joined near Bangladesh, where they flow over one river, forming one river known as the Padma. In Bengali it is known as Padma, which flows into the Bay of Bengal, and their combination make the greatest delta of the world near the Sundarban area. Now the Great Plains have greatly influenced the life of the people of India. How? With the fertile soil of the plain has helped the development of agriculture. The soil is soft, that's why irrigation is also possible over here. Being flat, the growth of network for roads, railways is possible, industries is possible to be set up, and people is also able to build up their houses and stay near those places. Here, the rivers along with tributaries provide water transport also, which is cheap for people to connect each other from one side to another. Okay.